If you've been working in the e-commerce space, you've probably heard terms like headless and composable commerce, or even front-end as a service. In this series, I'll be shedding light on all of these terms, where they overlap and where they differ. Let's dive in. A monolithic architecture is a traditional unified application where the front end, what the customer sees, and the back end, how you manage your store, are tightly coupled in a single application. Everything is managed together. This was the standard for many years because it was simpler to develop and deploy initially. For small teams and simple requirements, this is a great choice. There's no need to add unnecessary complexity. You should only move away from this model if it's no longer serving your needs. The cracks first appear in the monolith when your company or project grows and more flexibility is needed. It's here that the challenge of building a single cohesive experience across web, mobile, and other devices becomes a major technical challenge. In this model, it's difficult to separate the concerns for multiple teams, leading to bottlenecks. Furthermore, every change requires the entire application to be rebuilt and redeployed. This means that teams are forced to release in lockstep, which prevents individual teams from delivering on their own schedule. Monolithic systems will hold your business back in terms of scalability and the performance required for modern customer experiences. The limitations of those monolithic systems led to the creation of headless architecture. It was designed to solve these problems by providing greater flexibility and efficiency. The core idea is to decouple the head, the storefront, from the body, the e-commerce backend. The back end is accessible via APIs, and the front end can be any device, a website, a mobile app, or even a kiosk in a physical store. By separating the front end and the back end, applications can be developed at scale independently. This allows front-end and back-end teams to work in parallel, accelerating development cycles. It also provides freedom of delivery to any channel without multiplying your effort. Headless systems are also better equipped to handle large traffic volumes and are more scalable. But while headless offers flexibility in delivery, it also creates new challenges. For example, what if you want to use a content management system or search provider that's different from your core e-commerce engine? What about that bespoke system that you need to plug in? What about orchestrating among the services? A headless system alone doesn't easily solve these complex problems. The backend, though decoupled, remains a single block of functionality. Headless isn't the end game. While it's a step in the right direction, it's got some limitations. Next episode, we're diving into composable commerce to see how it takes things further and where it overlaps with headless. I'll see you in the next one.